Hello, in this video we'll show you how to define a part and workpiece to SprutCAM. Come into machining mode. Here we can see three options: part, workpiece and fixture. First, we'll define part to SprutCAM. Now we are in part. Just select the drawing and click Turn. We can see that the 2D sketch is a 3D model now. The work for part is over for now. We will go to workpiece to define. Just click Primitive. In the window opened, select Cylinder. If the component would be hollow, then we have to select Tube. Then select Location to X. Click Add and close. Double-click. Now we'll show 2mm stock on the face. Just add 2.0 in the positive axial. After clicking OK, 2mm stock will be added on the face of the component. We can make changes anytime when it is necessary. For example, just double-click again. Now you can see automatically changes have been done. Likewise, we can add stock to the outer diameter. Just double-click again. Now you see that 5mm added to the outer diameter radially. Anytime we can make the changes. Till now, SprutCAM is understood to do machining 2mm of the face and 2mm to the outer diameter. See how to define fixture to SprutCAM in next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.